project managers, we are always trying to balance many competing priorities at the same time. Budgets, timelines, and ever-changing scope in projects. That pressure often takes a toll on us and the teams, adding unnecessary stress. That's why I built ProjectTzar, a complete project management software package. Built from years of study in the discipline and a decade of experience across both private and public sector in the UK, whether large complex projects or small. ProjectTzar, as the name implies, puts you and your teams firmly in command of your budgets, timelines, risks, as well as managing changing requirements, supporting your teams with everything they need. From ready templates, automated dashboard, reports on demand, helping you stay in control and deliver project outcomes like never before, no matter the size and complexity involved. Because great project management isn't just about hitting deadlines, it's about protecting your team's energy, your stakeholders' trust, and your own professional reputation. ProjectTzar was built for the project managers who refuse to let complexity become chaos. Who know that the right tools don't just save time, they change outcomes. Stop firefighting. Start leading. ProjectTzar, command your projects, from day one to delivery. See it for yourself, it's free to start, no commitment.